First of all, thank you so much for attending because we are facing very difficult times nowadays in art and culture and especially dance world. So we'll start right away. My first question, what are the challenges we are facing in the dance? Who is going to answer it?
I think, Valentina, we're still recovering from the COVID times, right? Those years in which students couldn't necessarily enter their studios, dance institutions were closed with limited numbers of students. So I think rebuilding the student population, enrollment, and also the financial aspect, financial sustainability, and that all changed during COVID, like how institutions are bringing in the revenue.
So, which leads me into one of my questions: what is the strategy for sustaining financials for dance schools and the companies? What is it so important to get finances back so we all can dance freely? Who wants to be challenged?
We're basically doing better now, so we're kind of going up on the rise. So I'm less worried about this aspect right now. I'm worried about what is happening in the schools and how teachers teaching and how they insert the basic and the technique. That's what my challenge. Yes, financially, I think we're getting as a school right now. I'm talking about us. We're getting better, so it's definitely almost like pre-COVID situation. Yeah. So,
thank you so much.